Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in this video we will be looking at pivot table, specifically how we can summarize the values into distinct count parameter. So on screen we have a table where we have order date, region, name, item, units, unit cost. If I try to summarize values into pivot table, if I insert one pivot table and if I drag units into values, so by default summarization is to sum. If I change it to count, we have option, but if I want it to change to distinct count, we do not have any option. So how we can do that? In order to do that, I will delete this pivot table. I will again create a new pivot table from very scratch. Only thing which we need to do, the trick is, only thing we need to check on this particular option, add this data to data model. And if I now try to create the pivot table, the same kind of pivot table will get created. And now if I try to drag units into values, by default it's summer. Now we have option for distinct count as well, we can select. And if I drag it again to simple count, here we have simple count as well. So basically there are 37 unique values and total values are 43, total number of rows. So this is how we can check on a simple option, that is add this data to data model, and we can have this distinct count function in pivot table which we can utilize. So this was the trick for today's video. Thanks for watching.